Whispers in my head, what you gonna do? 선택의 기로에 난 지켜내려 해 쉽지 않아도 진실한 나만의 beliefs. You know what they say, don't brag about what you have. Be careful and be humble, otherwise you should be ready to stumble. You know what they say, 자신감이 없니? 왜 당당하게 살지를 못해? Keep walking your way, don't look back. 너만의 길이야. Even when you fall, don't look back. 사실은 말이야. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. 'Cause it's only yours. Only yours, yeah. 쏟아지는 말 이미 어지러운 이 세상 속에서 어둠 속의 light 붙잡아 진실한 나만의 beliefs. 차가운 바람 그득한 이 앉아 내 마음속에
How many do you have?
위로를 더 꺼내야
You have one? It's all today. Halloween day.
When you feel like giving up, remember, keep walking your way. Don't look back. 너만의 길이야. Even when you fall, don't look back. 사실은 말이야. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. 'Cause it's only yours. Only yours, yeah. Nobody
Guys, my background looks so different now. You cannot tell if it's baby music I put off. But we are done for today. It's currently 5 p.m. and we have to teach 2 classes today. Mommy to school and then we can go home. I think my friend and I are gonna get some few drinks before settling because it's a keep katal. Also, it's a Friday, so we're gonna go get few drinks and then we're gonna head home. I'll talk to you guys when we get home. We only had few drinks, but I'm feeling tipsy and it's raining outside. Missing out on my umbrella, but I'm gonna take a shower now and keep on my cars before I get sick. I'm even wearing a coat, so I'm gonna take a shower, do my skincare, and then I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. We're gonna spend a weekend together because I'm going to Jeonju. And I think I'm gonna pack tomorrow morning. I don't feel like packing now. Ngikhathele. After all, I've been very busy during the day. I'm 17. But I want to show you guys my skin. If I can go, I'll take a moment for my skin. I've been using this product for about 2 weeks now and it's working wonders on my skin, especially since it's a dry season. I love it for myself and it doesn't irritate my skin. Nothing like that, guys. I'll talk to you tomorrow.
angels we have heard on high, sweetly singing o'er the plains, and the mountains in reply, echoing their joyous strains. Excelsis Deo, Gloria in excelsis Deo. excelsis Deo. See him in a manger laid, Jesus, Lord of heaven and earth. Mary, Joseph, lend your aid. Sing with us our Savior's birth.
Guys, I'm in Jeonju and ngifuna ukusho ukuthi into ehlangane neSeoul ayifoko ngempela ngebanje. So I don't have direct trains from Jeonju to Jeonju. So I had to take connecting trains from Jeonju to Seoul and then from Seoul to Jeonju. You say Jeonju right now, but ngifukuzile. I had to take connecting trains, ngagibela wrong. I had to pay double the price. Like kuningi, mind you, this is not my first time coming to Jeonju. The first time I used bus, but bus figure at 1 p.m. And then in training language today it figure at 9 a.m. So and the weekend is like 2 minutes. So I'll do anything with figure L. I'm just gonna stick to bus and then I'd rather come late and go on. Gonna safari every time I'm The reason why I'm in Jeonju, my man moved to Jeonju. If you've been watching my channel, you know that he lived in Ulsan for 3 years. Same academy, 3 different apartments. So now it's time for a change. We now live in Jeonju. You're gonna see a lot of vlogs from me coming to Jeonju. So this weekend, Suzama Oglungisi apartment. Gonna go to Daiso. Sorry. We're gonna go to Daiso. We're gonna get a lot of things for the new apartment, and then we're just gonna look around. And I'm gonna take you guys with me. As always, the apartment is so small. It's so small comparing to the other ones begun now in Ulsan. And you can't you can't have it all. It's either you have a good school, a high-paying job, good working environment, a nice apartment, but you can't have it all. But yeah, we're gonna make it feel homey. I don't know if I'm gonna take you guys along, but there and there. So spend a weekend with me in Jeonju. Let me take a taxi. It's gonna take like 10 minutes. And one thing I like about Jeonju, it's so laid back. Even if in station corner is in Hanok buildings, guys. We'll talk.
Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know. Say, where are you? Where are you? Don't be so hard to reach. Just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Let me know when you're ready, cause I made reservations. Too many invitations, and the last night was heavy. I need communication. Tell me where's your location. Used to talk 24/7, every other second, just to make sure we were up to date. Now it's closer to 11, and I ain't hearing nothing. I just need to know that you're okay. Hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know. Say, where are you? Hey, don't be so hard to reach. Just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta take you away. All I need is you saying yeah, yeah, yeah. Better nights, better days when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all I crave, so I wonder.
Let me show you guys around. This is our small kitchen. We're going to have kamgatan for dinner. And then we have our gas stove. Bought this one from Daiso today. Just finished washing the dishes, and then we also bought this one from Daiso. When we move this side, we have the same table we had from Ulsan. I bought some stuffs and the Jeonju. Right next to the kitchen, we have a Cantonese that we brought from Ulsan as well, and then we have a fridge. We bought Lena from Daiso today, and then we have the same plant we had in Ulsan. And we have a small closet. We have two, by the way, and then we have a shower. A bathroom yamkele. Kukwamila so you decorating in Kela and so feel like good night. We have a big mirror. So far so good. I still got never pick everything. So I think that's all I'm gonna show you guys for now. Maybe next time when I come to Jeonju, I'm gonna show you guys more. But we're gonna have dinner right now, and then tomorrow I have to go back to Ulsan. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.
Imagine sun shining, pink clouds in the sky, and everything is right. Imagine stars lighting up the night, and a shooting star so vibrant. You have to make a wish. Nothing's ever in your way, scoring every shot you make.
Guys, I just finished doing my skincare with the same product thing and bonus on a Friday, and look at my skin. I'm back in my apartment, and I want to show you guys the few things I bought from Jeonju at Daiso. I feel like I couldn't vlog much at Jeonju because we were very busy, trust me. Moving from city to city is not child's play. If you didn't know, or maybe if you're planning to change to a new school or move to a new apartment, move to a different city, you're going to pay a lot of money for moving your stuffs. I think he paid around 5,000 rand for transport alone. It's a lot of process, it's a lot of work. We used GoGo X for transport. Oh, they're so pretty and very warm. And these were only 5,000 won. Got a new towel. And then we have a PJ. Do you guys remember the PJ I was wearing when I was doing my skincare on Friday? I think I'm going to pair it with these pants, especially since lip one, and then the top as well one as I said. And then I also got this one for a shower. We have a new mat for my bathroom. It's really cute. It's in my favorite color. And then I got candies. I got this one for my man. These are my good students. Winter socks. I got 3 pairs. I got one in pink. We have brown. And then we have this color. They're very warm and only for 1,001. As I told you guys, Daiso is so cheap. And then I got a pack of my favorite noodles. I got plastic for Ulata Udoti. And then I got cute earmuffs, and they look so fluffy and warm. Let me try them on. Perfect for winter. And then I bought a very small diffuser. got 5 of these different flavors, of course. I'm trying to cut on a lot of calories, guys. It's winter, so it's cut so papa. No pumela panja spelling. These are very nice, by the way. I have a gift bag. I think I got 2 or 3. This is the first one, and then I have another one. I'm going to celebrate my friend's birthday this coming weekend, so I got here some goodies. Enzo Fagala. This is the third one. And I tried Uguti Ama colors are coordinating. This Korea is cold. And I got a lot of teas and Amaleki things on Franga pants when I go to work. I think I'm getting an 8 keeper easy 4. And then I got Amalekins I4 as well. These were only 5,001. So if you're in Korea, go get these for yourself. I think so, Pelin. Guys, I need to add this picture to my collection. It's so cute. I'm so looking forward to exploring Jeonju, guys. Jeonju is well known for food. Kuyapekwa eJeonju. Kokobase Jeonju bayapek. And the famous meal in Jeonju is bibimbap. If you know bibimbap, it's originally from Jeonju. They also have a lot of K-drama locations. So kumele ngithi kubuke K-drama kancane, so that when I go to any places there, kube ukuthi at least ngiyazi ukuthi bekwenzakalani kanjani, you know. They also have a hanbok village. How many times, guys, how many times I've been saying I want to wear a hanbok? How many times? And I know you guys can see as well. I'm excited as if I still live in Ulsan, by the way. Also, I still live in Jeonju. Yeah, I still live in Jeonju. But I'm going to spend a lot of time in Jeonju. I think I'm going to spend the next 3 months in Jeonju. Almost every weekend. When you see me in a train, just know that I'm going to Jeonju. Okay guys, I will see you on the next vlog when I celebrate my friend's birthday. So if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. And if you want to catch up on a real-time content, please check me on Instagram. I'll follow you back. Or you can also follow me on TikTok as well. And I will follow you back, okay? And if you also have a YouTube channel and you think I haven't subscribed to your channel, please let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys on the next vlog. I hope you enjoy this vlog.